How many products do we really need to sell in order to make $1 million on Amazon.com? In today's video, I'm going to cover this topic. The number of products that you need to sell in order to make $1 million in revenue depends upon several factors such as your price, your margins, availability of inventory, etc. Let's assume you have got a product priced at $25, and let's also assume that you're doing around 25 sales per day, which means on a daily basis you are generating a revenue of $625. So I've multiplied 25, which is your sale price, into number of units that you're selling per day in order to arrive at $625. Let's say there are 30 days in a month. We know we are doing around $625 per day. In order to calculate my monthly revenue, I'm going to multiply my 625 into 30, which makes it $18,750. So with one product priced at $25, selling 25 units a day, I am able to generate a revenue of $18,750. Our goal is to hit a revenue of $1 million per annum. In order to achieve this goal, let us break these numbers down. So I'm going to divide $1 million by 12 in order to arrive at my monthly goal or monthly revenue target. In this case, it is around $83,333. With one product, if we are doing $18,750, in order to arrive at the number of products that are needed to achieve a goal of $83,333, so I'm going to divide $83,333 by $18,750. When I perform this activity, I'm going to arrive at a number which is just 4. What it means is you just need to launch 4 products in order to hit a revenue of $1 million. Well, it's a known fact. Your ability to spot those 4 products completely depends upon your skill levels. Let's assume you have got a success ratio of 70%, which means for every 10 products that you are launching, 7 are successful. Now with that assumption, we will also try to calculate how many products do we really need to launch in order to achieve or get to those 4 products. Considering a success ratio of 70%, the number of products that we need to launch is 6. Well, my friend, let's assume you have launched these 6 products and you got to your 4 products and you generated a revenue of $1 million. Now let's understand how to evaluate this business, and let's also calculate what is the worth of this business. Well, here is a typical cost structure of a business on Amazon.com. Firstly, we have our landed cost, which is around 25% of our overall cost. Landed cost constitutes your manufacturing cost as well as your shipping cost. And then we have selling fee, which is also called as referral fee, which is around 15% of your selling price, and it also depends upon the category that you are in. And then you have your FBA fee, which is around 20% of your selling price, and then you have your ads, and then you also have certain general and administrative charges which are categorized under overheads. After factoring in all these costs, you are left with the net profit margin in this example, which is around 20%. This is also called as your contribution margin. So we have built a business of $1 million, and we are also saying that we have got a 20% contribution margin, which means we are making around $200K in terms of net profit every single year. Businesses of this sort, provided they have good growth prospects and good profitability, good year-on-year growth, we should be able to achieve at least 3.5x multiple. With that assumption, when I multiply 3.5 into your net income per annum, which is 3.5 into 200K, that makes it 700K. Well, this business is valued at $700,000. Well, my friends, this is exactly how you're going to plan, launch and grow your brands on Amazon.com. With that, I hope you learned something new. If that is the case, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Have a great day ahead, guys. Goodbye.